How to buy GIRAFFE AI token. So this token came under the symbol of GIRAFFE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with a crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available in the explainer. It's created 2 days ago and it increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Ethereum. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. I suggest to use the Phantom wallet. Now, after that, if you can see your token here, now go back to this token page on the screener. Now, click here to comment and on this. Go back to Ethereum, click here, and paste token address in the search bar. So this is our token, as you can see. So if you can't see this token to be able to add it to Ethereum, so it's not available yet to be able to buy it via Ethereum. Now we will use the to buy it on our wallet. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token on the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, so it's available on our wallet to be able to buy it. Now click on it. Click I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much we receive, as you can see next to our token. Now this is to select the provider. Click on pricing. Click on provider. Select the Jupiter and click on apply. Now go back. Now here click on swap to be able. And after that, you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy GIRAFFE token or GRFE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.